So, well, if it's playing, I think Adobe has played themselves. Now, talking about a perspective whereby I've been a graphics designer since 2009, and to be honest, I've been using the Adobe software for quite a while. And the problem is, for Adobe right now, since AI has becoming a little bit crazy, so they're trying to get around clients. I mean, they're trying to get our works to train their models. Now, this might be sounding insane. We all know this way it goes. We have seen it even from the movies, how this stuff usually go. And it usually turns out to be very bad for the company, and usually turns out to be very bad for the client. We're having a broadening of the big thing to just elevate ourselves. But the big fish here is not that we are saying this is quite this way, but this is actually the other way around, because if the company right now is telling us on their own terms that we're going to use your data no matter what, and you're opt-in without yourself opting in, this really sounds insane. And you find yourself that for quite years you've been working throughout your field, you just keep up, and right now all of a sudden all of your works, they're being trained for the AI, and people now they can use your work just by typing on the AI. As a graphics designer, I can say this is quite annoying, and it's not healthy, to be honest. It's not healthy at all, because I've been building myself for years. I've been doing design since 2009. I can say that right now, since this thing has happened, then all of a sudden it's like going crazy. That's why you find it so many times. Let's be honest on this one. This might be a crazy one, but this is the thing which hinders us, all of us designers, in total. So right now what happened is just that these software companies, since they're the big fish, so they think themselves we can never get another fish on the sea, which we can just jump in and go continue with our ride, or we can jump on another ship and continue with our ride. You know what I mean? So there is a software which is really nice. I've been using even me since 2019, I think. It's called Affinity. Now, this video is not sponsored by Affinity, but to be honest, I really love how Affinity approaches their clients. It's really nice, and you just don't need to pay a bunch of subscription. We understand through all these softwares, they're usually a catch around, but throughout Adobe, what they stated, and it's quite annoying, to be honest. That's why their softwares, they're so pirated. Like, let's be honest, their software of Adobe, they're so quite pirated because they never ask themselves why people use pirated softwares. Why can people just subscribe to their subscription? It's just quite embarrassing. But for Affinity, you find yourself, the pricing is quite budget. You won't even ditch yourself to just download a pirate, unless you just want to try it around. You don't want that kind of free trial, but you just want to try the software and see how enhancement it is, so as you can make a good move on buying entirely for the lifetime. But if you just wanna jumping throughout Adobe right now, it's quite annoying. I've been using Adobe for many years, man. Like the whole master collection, I've been using it for many years, so it's really annoying. You say this thing, when it goes out, it usually goes out and it's bad for the company. So I don't know what Adobe are thinking right now, how their clients is gonna be, how they can make these things happen, how they can make these things work. As some of you guys know, even me here on YouTube, I usually throw out tutorials for graphics design, but I went a little bit down because of my schedules. But I'll be coming back again throughout the tutorials, and I believe that I'll be just capturing the Affinity software and even DaVinci Resolve, and yeah, I think it's gonna be really amazing, because we have seen how this game has gone. This game has been played checkmate for Adobe, but Affinity has played double checkmate for themselves, because right now the talk in town is all about Affinity software. And to be honest, Affinity is going to be releasing version 3 because they have version 2 right now, so you're going to get the updates on the version 2 to go to version 3. So this is a good news for us designers to make a switch. I understand making a switch from a software which you're used to, it's annoying. Imagine you're gonna go to another software trying to learn another tool, how it works, up to you feel it's okay, then entirely then you're getting fluidity throughout there. But throughout your learning skills, since you're a designer, we're having experience for quite sometimes, it's really amazing that you just experience something different. And yeah, since Adobe decided to play themselves, I think it's the time whereby we designers gonna go and check out Affinity for good and switch to Affinity. So instead of us just bragging or talking, keep on giving Adobe some attention, I think it's just the time whereby we say enough is enough. We're gonna just switch to another software so as we can just continue our workflow as normal. Nobody wants their workflow to be used as an AI research project. Nobody wants to be used as a project like an AI. Man, come on, what the hell is that now? That won't be good. We all know how it goes. So that's it, guys. I decided to drop this video. It's quite a little bit in some minutes, I understand, but overall this is my thoughts about how Adobe, they just came out with this kind of scenario. It's so worst. That's what's up, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be catching you guys on the next tech video. This is just my highlight for how these softwares companies, they teach us and all of that. So just be aware and know how you can play safe online with your artworks, especially if you're the designer, you're an artist. Just play fair, because right now AI has been being crazy. Everything is AI. You go AI until it's boring. So that's it, guys. I'll be catching you guys on the next tech video, and peace.